Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be replacing the mass airflow sensor in a 2006 Honda Civic. This is for the 2006 to 2011, and this is actually a pretty simple process. And if you guys do want to pick up one of these sensors, I do have a link in the description down below. You can actually pick it up on Amazon, which is really convenient. But let's go ahead and replace it. All right, so when you come into the engine bay, it's actually going to be located right here above the airbox. There's going to be a screw right here and a screw right there. So let's go ahead and unscrew both of these. And I would say before you go ahead and pull this out all the way, you can go ahead and push on this little tab right here and unplug it. Alrighty, and now let me unscrew the rest of these by hand. These are really small screws, so definitely be careful with these. Maybe you might want to use a magnetic screwdriver so that you don't drop them or anything. And there's a little washer, actually a couple little washers on them. And you can actually lift up on this little rubber piece itself, just kind of lift it up and move it back. And then this plastic piece just kind of flexes back out of the way. So then you're able to pull it straight up and out. And we're going to take the new one and just slide it right in. There we go. And now you can take those screws. And then once you get the screws in, all you have to do is take that and plug it right back in. Alright, so if this video did help you guys out, go down, hit the like button. If you guys have any other questions or comments, definitely put those in the comment section. I do read through those and reply to everybody. But like I said, there will be links in the description down below, so if you guys want to pick up the actual switch itself, or like the plastic pry tools, all that is going to be down in the description down below. But if you guys did like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.